Good afternoon, everyone. My presentation today is about the chapter focused on political literacy in the digital age, highlighting its importance in navigating misinformation and fostering civic engagement in today's fast-paced digital world. In the first section, I will explain about foundation of political literacy. Political literacy equips citizens with the skills to understand governance, evaluate information, and make informed decisions. Historically rooted in the Greek polis, it has evolved to address modern challenges such as political disengagement. Education plays a crucial role in rebuilding this foundation, promoting active and informed citizenship. And the second section is And the second section is misinformation in politics. Misinformation is a growing challenge amplified by social medias, echo chambers, and biased algorithms. Events like Brexit and the US election showed how fake news can distort public opinion. Combating this requires teaching media literacy and critical thinking to help individuals identify trustworthy sources and diverse perspectives. And the third one, education's role in political literacy. Education fosters digital literacy and prepares students to assess political information critically. By integrating political literacy across disciplines, we empower individuals to understand the impact of politics and on action is future of political engagement. The digital age offers opportunities for political engagement, but also risks through algorithm-driven misinformation. By combining political and media literacy, we can help citizens navigate these challenges and strengthen democratic participation. Uh, and I will conclude. In conclusion, this book chapter is fostering political literacy. This book chapter is about fostering political literacy is vital for building and resilient democracy. Through education, critical thinking, and digital awareness, we can combat misinformation and empower citizens to engage meaningfully in the democratic process. I think that's all about my part. Thank you for your attention. And the next part is about mini research. Our mini research will be given by Joyce. Joyce, uh, time is yours.
Thank you for the opportunity. So my name is Joyce. I would like to introduce about the our article. Title is Assessing Political Literacy Among University Students in Interpreting International News. The background of our study is this study evaluates the political literacy of 30 English literature students at the State University of Medan. Challenges include heavy reliance on social media for news, limited civic engagement, and a lack of understanding of political system. Strengthening political literacy is crucial to prepare students for meaningful participation in democracy. And this is the method that we use is a qualitative approach was used with data collected through semi-structured questionnaires distributed to 30 purposefully sampled students. Responses were analyzed using Brown and Clark six-step thematic framework, focusing on patterns and themes related to political literacy. And the result of our article is the findings show significant gaps in political literacy, while 70% rely on social media for news. Only 30% fact check and 23% distinguish fact from factual news. Civic engagement was low, which 80% not involved in activities like voting. Students also lacked confidence in political discussion and had limited knowledge of global political structures. And the last one is conclusion. There are only 30% of students demonstrate good political literacy, with the majority scoring moderate to poor. Recommendation include media literacy workshop, interdisciplinary political education, and civic engagement initiative like debates or mock elections to build informed and active citizens. And that's all from us. Thank you for attention. See you.